Okay guys, so we're finally making a start. Sorry about the noise here, it's a bit cold. I've got my heater running in the garage here. As you can see, we don't have a lot of room, but I'm going to make a start stripping down. I went through a walkthrough of one of my previous videos with some of the issues, which we'll cut to in a minute and just give you a bit of an update, and then I'm going to put you in time lapse as we start stripping down. I've got a helper here with me today, my tatay from the Philippines, so we're visiting, so it's good to have some help. Enjoy!
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board.
Just something. It's just floating around here on the wire that goes to the starter.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want you to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we own. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like
Okay guys, so today I've just started to do some stripping down. The wipers off, got the windscreen out, which had a chip in it in the driver's view, so I don't think it passed the MOT anyway, so I'll need a new one. I'm really happy with how this has come out. Doesn't seem to be any rust at all in here. Slight bit of surface rust here, I think I could clean that up. Looks really clean. We also got the headlights out. And the front bumper's off. Really pleased with all this as well. Doesn't look like there's much rust down the front end here. Looks quite good. But over here, we seem to have had a bit of an accident. I mean, this, it looks like there's filler or something in here. And what's left of the headlight surround and down underneath here. I mean, it's thick. So it looks like that's going to have to be either a replacement wing or maybe repair. I don't know yet. Or should there be an inner ring inside here? Is that correct? A reinforcement ring? Look here. I guess it looks correct. It was only held down by 2 spot welds anyway. Well, 1.5 spot welds. One here and one just on the edge of here, so that was all that was holding it in. So I've just taken it out for now. And of course, my main driver for taking the windscreen out was to get the top dash rail out that was causing me trouble the other day. I'd given up trying to get it out in the car, and the windscreen was coming out anyway, so I might as well just take it out, make my life easier. So that's where we got to today, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching.